Hello techies, this is CompTIA 18.1.9 and we're going to explore SQL injection flaws. You are the cybersecurity analyst for a small corporate network. You are exploring an online bank's web page to evaluate its security. So in this lab, your task is to see whether an SQL injection attack is possible on the online bank using the following information. We are given the information that we are going to be working with in this lab. Okay, so let's see. All of the information that is required for this lab is provided. Let's see. We're going to answer question 2. Try Olivia's account number with the following additional information. And bank website is mysecureonlinebank.com. We're going to make an account inquiry. Account number is 9639. We're going to answer question 1 and look up the following account numbers. Make a note of the result of each search. And what else do we have here? We're going to try SQL injection attack using the following account numbers. Let's get an idea of what the question looks like. This is just 5 questions. And let's minimize this. What is Olivia's account balance? How many digits are required? Okay. So let's start up. We want to go into Chrome. Under Chrome, we want to type in mysecureonlinebank.com, but I will just copy and paste to save time, so this video won't be too long. So copy and paste this here, and let's go ahead and search for this. And account number is provided also. We just copy and paste, or you can type it in. This is going to be 9639. Let's go ahead and look it up and see what we have. So good day, Olivia Martinez. The balance is provided here. Let's go ahead and answer the first question. Olivia's balance is going to be $10,625.79. Okay, let's look up the following account numbers: 112, 123, 1234, 12345, and 23456. Okay, so the first account we're going to be looking at is 1. So let's look this up. You have not entered a valid account number. 1, 2. Let's look this up. Still the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still the same thing. Entry not found. Let's add 6 to it. Let's look this up. No entry found. Okay, so answer the question. How many digits are required to consider the valid account number? Is this 1 or more, 2 or more, 3 or more, 4 or more, 5 or more, 6 or more? So the correct answer is going to be 5 or more. Because when we entered 5, it just said no entry, which means the account number can be valid, but it's just that there is no entry for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 currently. So we go to the second task here. We are going to answer question 2. Try Olivia's account number with the following additional information. Okay, so I'm going to impute her account number here, and I'm going to try it with BOB space BOB and let's look it up and see what we have. It's going to bring out the account number and the account ID. Okay, so let's try it with DOG. Let's look this up. And the same thing, let's try it with CAT. Let's look it up, and it's still the same thing. Okay, so we'll go ahead and answer question 3. What can you determine from this input? Okay, so the input values are restricted to 5 numerical digits only. The input values are not restricted to validated. The input is not restricted beyond the first 5 digits. So let's see, the input values are not validated. The input is not restricted beyond the first 5 digits. Okay, so the correct answer to this is going to be this here. So let's check answers and see if we're doing fine. Okay, yeah, of course we're doing fine. So we'll go ahead and keep working, and we complete the remaining task. Try SQL injection attack using the following account numbers. Okay, so any 5 digits, or 1 plus 1. Okay, so we just copy and paste to save time with typing. We'll go ahead and look this up. You have not entered the valid account number. Okay, let's see if there's a mistake here. No, there's no mistake. Everything is fine. So let's go ahead and add 1, 2, 3, and this is going to bring out a lot of customer information. So what is the account number of Ocean Padilla? So we just look through the list of names and accounts provided and look for Ocean Padilla, and the account number is this 9006. So we'll go ahead and impute it here. $9,006. Okay, what is the name of the web server's user? Okay, name of the web server's user is going to be, okay, so we're going to use this who. Let's copy and paste this here. Who am I? And we're going to edit this out, and we're going to input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's look it up and see what we have. So no entry, www.user. So we'll just go ahead and impute it here. www.user. Alright, so go ahead and check our answers, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want a more self-explanatory video, although it's going to be longer, but I'm going to explain all of the steps and all of my action in this particular lab in that video, hit me through my email and I'm going to send that video to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.